Waste management is a central issue in the nuclear industry and requires upstream planning by any future operators. For over 30 years, Egis has supported major nuclear industry players in the analysis, optimization and management of radioactive waste, as well as in the decommissioning of nuclear facilities. Let's meet our experts to better understand current challenges.
Our consultancy teams develop management strategies for all types of waste and spent fuel, including uranium and plutonium-bearing wastes, as well as problematic wastes like asbestos and mercury. These strategies seek to minimise disposal volumes by diverting wastes from geological disposal to alternative management solutions. For existing facilities, we provide advice on achieving the optimal site end state following decommissioning. And for future disposal facilities, we perform the optioneering, long-term radiological safety assessment and site evaluation needed for licensing. We also advise and assess options for the packaging of waste to meet acceptance criteria. We take a holistic approach to supporting our customers in strategy development and planning, from waste generation, management to final disposal.
The decommissioning process begins with an equipment inventory to define the different scenarios for dismantling, decontamination and waste management. We then carry out multi-criteria analysis of each option to support our clients in decision-making. With our tools, we can calculate and visualize the dismantling scenarios and the disposal options, taking radiation protection constraints into account. Our structure and process experts assess how the dismantling operations will impact the way radioactive sources are made secure and evacuated. They also work on operator safety, security, and on the costs and timeframes associated with these tasks.
Once the optimal scenario has been selected, our multidisciplinary engineering teams design the infrastructure and special equipment required to collect, package, and store the waste. These infrastructures can be built from scratch or result from modifications to existing facilities. We then participate in their construction by selecting contractors and supervising their work on site until commissioning. Our expertise covers dedicated equipment such as glove boxes, hot cells, handling tools, and the design of spent fuel pools. If these activities take place in facilities that are still operational, we define the appropriate measures to ensure everything functions smoothly while guaranteeing worksite safety.
Egis supports its clients in the storage and disposal of radioactive waste on the surface, near surface, or in deep geological layers. We also assist with transport logistics and quality control of waste packaging. Our approach combines our experts' know-how in geotechnics, geophysics, tunnels, and nuclear safety to design these assets and the equipment needed for their operation. Our teams recommend the relevant supervisory solutions and produce seismic risk maps and geological models. They also contribute to safety studies before and after closure of facilities and prepare environmental permit applications.
Through numerous projects with national waste management agencies and major operators, Egis has contributed to waste management and the decommissioning of nuclear facilities in more than 30 countries. And we harness our expertise in support of innovation as an active participant in several research programs. Egis is proud to contribute to the sustainable development of the nuclear industry for the benefit of current and future generations.